Welcome to ClickMyProject. The title of the project is Calculate Time and Space Complexity. The abstract of the project is time complexity is normally expressed as an order of magnitude. Means that if the size of the problem doubles, then the algorithm will take 4 times as many steps to complete. The time complexity of algorithm quantifies the amount of time taken by algorithm to run as a function of the length of the string representing the input. The time complexity of algorithm is commonly expressed using big O notation, which excludes coefficient and lower order terms. Space complexity is normally expressed as an order of magnitude. For example, big O notations means if the size of the problem doubles, the 4 times much working storage will be needed. This project is used to find space and time complexity of a given dataset accurately. If we give a dataset, we'll calculate it very fast and provide an answer and very accurately, and also proposed system is very easy to implement. The time complexity of algorithm quantifies the amount of time taken by algorithm to run as a function of length of the string representing the input. The time complexity of algorithm is commonly expressed during the big O notation, which includes coefficient and lower order terms. Next we saw the data flow diagram of this project. In this project, dataset contains XML file, CSV or Excel file. These data are in structured format, so we easily uploaded in the database. In this project, we contains two type of complexity. First one, time complexity. Second one, space complexity. The attributes of the time complexity is minimum, maximum, average. The time complexity is calculated by the dataset execution in minimum time, maximum time and average time stored in database. So second one is space complexity. The space complexity is calculated by the data says how much space is occupied by particular dataset in database. Calculate the space MP or KP or GP. So this is the main concept of this project. Now we start the demo of this project. The concept of the project is calculate the space and time complexity. So we run the project. Click the button. Open the dataset for processing the project. This particular file is converted to text document and click the next button and calculate the term frequency for the text document, and the next one is calculate the IDF frequency, and finally calculate the TF IDF for every dataset in this project. And click the display button The result should display in the text field, and click the next button. This is the calculation for IDF, inverse document frequency. Click the IDF button and display button. This is the result for IDF and calculate the nearest neighbor for the TF IDF frequency. This is the nearest neighbor frequency, and click the next button. This is the frame for upload the dataset into database. Click the load into DB button. So the data is loaded into database and view in table, and click the next button. Finally, we calculate the execution time for the particular dataset in this project. So click the open button. This is the dataset. So we calculated the execution time for this project and calculated the space for this project, and calculated the space complexity for this project. Click the monitoring server. So this is the space complexity for this project. This is the usage space and the free space and total capacity. So the project is over. Thank you.